So most of you guys know the story of the soft putty, right? The accident that basically was the greatest accident of all time, right? As you can see, the putty's a little soft. If you have no idea why I'm talking about this or the story, I've got a link around here somewhere that basically goes through the whole story. But bottom line, we got the shipment, it was wrong, and we decided to let you guys try it to see what you thought. We sent feedback emails out, and guys, the response has been insane. You guys love this product. I'm talking, some of you are like, yo, it's the greatest product of all time. I'm not kidding. You guys love it, I love it, and so we decided, you know what? Why don't we create soft putty as a product? And gentlemen, we did, it's in development. Technically, it's not even in development. It's being made as we speak. But this being said, we still have some units of the original mistake, or that soft putty, that's soft, that actually just says putty. And right now, for a limited time, and while supplies last, we are giving it to you for 30% off any of you guys that want to try it. Right now, for a limited time, and while supplies last, supplies aren't going to last. The 2 ounce, we already sold out of that. Right now, for a limited time, if you want to grab the soft putty in the wrong jar, right now, you can grab it for 30% off. It's an insane deal. You can grab as many as you want. There's a link down here somewhere, guys. Right now, like I said, while supplies last, we've got the 4 ounce. We also have the mini putty. Guys, now is the time. If you're ready to try a creamy, sexy, amazing product that was a mistake, but now is probably going to be our #1 bestseller, hit the link, grab it while supplies last. Like I said, 30% off. And if you missed a deal, you can't grab it because you waited, you snoozed on this deal, or we sold out, don't worry. Soft putty is going to be hitting the Pete and Pedro website in a few months. But right now, we got them. So if you're interested, grab this product. It is amazing. There's a link around here somewhere to grab the deal.